Say hello.
I'm gonna join.
Okay.
After Audie by your bird, can we play blade ball?
No, I just noticed something. I found out how to cheat.
How do you cheat?
So where are you? Are you the pink bird?
Yeah.
Go back to spawn. I'm purple bird.
I see purple bird.
Okay. Go over here. Then jump on. Yeah, jump to that little edge there.
Yo!
What?
Yo, it worked. But after Audie by your bird, do you wanna play blade ball?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry, I found a way to cheat. Oh, 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 oh.
And we're purple girl. We're the
No
Mr.
purple?
Purple girl.
Purple banana. Yay! Jump! Jump!
Okay.
Jump! Jumpity
I'm not
jump!
good.
I want
I'm
3
going.
for you, right? I want the box! I want
Yo.
yeah! Oh my gosh, our bestie said hi. Hello. I am making
This is
Okay, guys, this is my friend. This is my friend.
This is her other friend.
Oh no. She's on level 7. Okay, let's just call her A. She's on level 7 and we're on level 23.
Let's go on level 7, how about? So we can be Angela. Angela, you're not go there.
Girl, we can't see her name unless we have permission.
I don't know where our bestie.
Level
I don't know if our bestie won. Our bestie,
7.
our bestie was not there. I didn't see our bestie. She didn't leave.
She's playing with her Yahtzee sister.
Oh, finally I found
Playing
Angela.
with her sister.
Guys, do not listen to me when I say our bestie's name. Because
Yes. A. Her name is A.
Yeah.
We
I'll
are.
call her Mrs. Purple. I'll call her Mrs.
She said
Purple.
hi.
And
A.
that out. I mean, Mrs. Purple.
Her name is A. A. A.
You're blue now.
I'm
You're
blue. A, get over here, A.
I'm invisible. Wow. I don't feel so good. Oh.
Hi.
Can you tell Mrs. A to wait for me?
This way.
Oh, Yamunya. I'm sorry. I'm just really used to calling this girl Mrs. A by her real name. Wait, where are you guys?
Okay, guys. Thank you for 573 or more subs. Yeah. Oh my god, girly.
Wait, I
French?
forgot what.
Girly French? You need to learn Korean. Ain't no way you're doing French right now, bro. Why you be doing French? Let's say,
Mr.
oh,
A is coming.
if you want
Oh, we
to
go.
check out both of these people's videos, so, this person, can I say your name?
Yeah, I don't care. Bro, my literal name of my YouTube channel is literally has my name in it.
It does?
So I don't know. I
Oh,
don't know.
darn it. And this person's username is, I'll give a shout out on my video to, all of my girly pops.
What? I forgot. No, that's not where you go.
I want to live.
Oh no. I'm forgetting stuff. My
I
brain's not
remember when
brain.
I died so much times when I was at this part. Now I'm at like level 3. I'm just kidding.
Wait, where's
I'm at level. I'm at
Mr.
again, guys. Thank you for subbing to me. I have so much. No.
Just wait. I'm just going to go where you guys are. Where you guys are.
I want to live. To live.
Okay,
Anywhere.
can you just tell Mrs. A to wait for to wait for me? I'll try to be real quick.
Okay. Can you guys do it? I'm bad. A. I am waiting.
Okay.
Today is not the day. Oh, Squid Game.
What are your guys' favorite show? Comment down below.
Yeah,
And
comment down below.
mine is Spy Family and Squid Game.
Get up. Get up. And get up. And get up. Are you don't go,
Me here.
Can you help? Sorry, I
Okay.
am helping
I
my
wonder and
friend.
let's go back to our level. No, I'm doing Lego. I just realized. Oh hell. I'm dying. I do not like this Duolingo. Oh no, I accidentally joined. Left.
You actually joined Blackpink. Guys, comment down below. Who's your favorite artist? Mine is Jisoo and Rosie. Which is Rosie. I like them. Our petty, our petty, our petty, our petty, our petty, our petty. Our petty.
Our Kishi face. Kishi face. She showed her.
Our tiny person likes her singing. Bro, Scarlet,
I like
you're supposed to go
Chris.
here, then here, then then he. How did you go through the block?
The what?
An ugly piece of pink.
You are going through raid. I don't know.
I'm going to. I'm at the spinning. Yeah. That's a da. Or at that.
Just can we play Fleaball now?
No.
Okay.
Level 24.
Okay. Can you go back to the spawn? I don't know where you are.
No. I'm cheetah. If you want to yacht with me, I will go to the water. I want it to be cheap. Okay,
I'm
this guy's
great. Well,
saying
I'm a pigeon.
that's beautiful.
Where are you?
Me? Mimi who?
Yeah, where are you?
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
where are you?
flying. I'm flying right now. I'm going to fly.
Fly.
Flying gravity.
Did you guys know defying gravity is actually real?
Because you can defy.
All you need is something. All you need is to book a plane flight and then go on the plane and then you will be defying gravity.
Defying gravity is really easy, guys. Just defy gravity with the rules I have told you.
Did you guys know if you jump, you are defying gravity for 0.5 seconds?
So 1.1 seconds. Link these characters down below if you think they're annoying. Lad.
Where's my blade ball now?
Mother, I'm so close to level 5.
Once you reach to level 4, can you help me with the level?
Level 5?
Yeah, once you get to level 24, can you help me with?
Sure. In fact, I'll help everyone who likes and subscribes and supports this channel. Amazing, isn't it?
Now, if you use fake Roblox ads, fake free Roblox ads, you're like, do you want free Roblox? Make sure to download our ads. I mean, yeah, they're like ads. You can win unlimited Robux. Yeah, you will not get any virus. Yeah, totally. Yeah,
Violence. You will not get any violence, guys.
and you will, and your your account will not be hacked totally. And you will get so much Robux. All your friends is gonna beg which app to get it. Make sure to download free Roblox.
Yeah, you know
app.
what? Yeah. This is the end of the video. Bye bye, guys.